Welcome to Activity 22. In this activity, we will be developing the concept that the wholes of 6, 7, 8 and 9 can be made up of two parts that are joined together. One of these parts will always be a 5. We will be representing each whole using counters on a 10 frame, bond blocks on an empty 10 frame, bond blocks in a linear way as part whole, and beads on a bead string. To complete this activity, you will need to place 5 blue counters on the top row and a matching 5 block on the top row of the empty 10 frame. You'll also need a 5 block positioned in the part whole space. Place your spinner on the board. You will need 1, 6, 7, 8 and 9 block to be the whole, and then you will also need access to 2 of each of the 1, 2, 3 and 4 blocks. To help me here today, I've got Karis.
Hello.
She will be player 2. I'll go first, and I spin a 6. I need to represent 6 here as 5 and 1, here as 5 and 1, 5 and 1 being equal to the whole of 6, and I should have had that set on 10, sorry. I would partition it and slide across to see 5 and 1 is 6. I then record 6 in my spot. Now I don't clear the board. I leave this for Karis. So your turn.
7.
Great, so change the counters.
5 and 2 is 7.
Great, and yeah.
5 and 2 is 7.
And you only need to say it once, you don't need to say it every time. But yeah, good, keep going. The reason we don't change the board is it's helping us learn that 7 is 1 more than 6, the way you slid that one bead, and also that it's made up of 5 and 2. Great, and now for this round, Karis, you won because you got the greater number, so I'll circle that so we know that you're winning. If we played again and I spun on the line, I get to choose whether or not I make the 6 or the 7. I can make the 6 again, or I can make the 7. It's my choice.